They say a trip starts when you begin with a plan. But the journey begins when you take your first step.
It's 8 p.m. and we see sunshine. No room for darkness left in our lives. And we've been drinking by the coastside. And we've been sitting across the skyline. So if we take it slow, we can go all night long. And if we move too fast, me and you will find our way home. And we've been drinking by the coastside, and we've been sitting across the skyline. And we'll be staying out till sunrise, all through the summer days of our lives. So if we take it slow, and if we take it slow, so if we take it slow, so if we take it slow, we can go all night long. And if we move too fast, me and you will find our way home. And we've been sitting across the skyline, and we'll be staying out till sunrise, all through the summer days of our lives,
You don't realize the beauty of a place until you put your foot on the ground. It was only then that we realized that Baler was more than just surfing. To those who live here, it is what they call home. More than the sand and the surf, it is the people in it that make it truly memorable. Home is not a place. Home is where your heart takes you. So go out there. Discover it. Live it.